Guys, welcome back to Pistol 1v1, and today I'm gonna be destroying Milo again.
Even though I won yesterday.
That's cap.
Nah,
This is just the warm-up round.
Is it?
It is. I haven't.
Okay.
This is the first game I've played today. Okay.
Me too, though. Me too. I can see you're really destroying me.
Milo, I don't care what you have to say. Sit the fuck down. You're actually shit.
Shut up!
I guess I'm the winner.
Of the warm-up round.
You're rank 690. Well, I kicked
Okay,
you out
here
of
we
the
go again.
700s.
Is there a way to change your crosshair?
I don't know. Perhaps, you can never really know. But I was behind
I'm
the
just
box.
better. You're not behind any boxes.
I was behind the box. You
I'm
stupid.
better than you at the game. This is the first real match. No. Can you not do that, please? Can you not? Can you just not do that?
What?
Squeak in my ears. I'm better. Like, I'm actually better. I'm actually gonna 3-0 you right now. What did I say? What did I say? That's getting cut out.
Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey.
I'm not Steve Harvey. What the hell are you saying? I'm actually. Good for you, man. Like. I'm better. This map's getting old.
IKR.
I'm gonna destroy you again. What did I say? What did I just say? I said I was gonna destroy you, and you just got destroyed.
We didn't.
What are you doing?
You just shot me in the head. How dare you?
My bad.
How could you? Okay, buddy, Huddy. Little Huddy.
Don't call me Lil Huddy. I literally blinked. I blinked.
What?
Are you dead? Whoa.
No.
How I hit you twice and then you one-shot me. This game does not make any sense to me at all.
Oh, fuck.
Don't say that word.
Keep it out.
$142 rank.
Yeah.
Listen, I hate to say it, but you're about to get destroyed. You're gonna be dead.
Where are you?
Access to
Where are
operators.
you?
What is an operator?
I don't know. Where you is, fam?
Why can't I hear other people? Good night. Oh
I see you.
no.
Richard.
What? You little monkey.
I'm just better than you. Round 2. I'm rushing your ass. Goodbye.
Whoa. How do you do this?
If you hold shift and you click C, then you can slide.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Oh.
I got out.
No!
Like
Oh,
this?
no way, you actually just killed me.
You slide?
You can slide.
tapped me, bro.
No, I didn't.
Devin, I'm 1 HP. What are you doing up there?
How are you still alive? I just hit you. Oh, what the? Yes, sir.
Why are you so many? You're so monkey balls. You're so.
Bro,
It's just for me like killing Milo over and over and over.
Give me a kiss.
What do you mean? I'm not gonna give you a kiss. You know, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me. Yes, sir.
Knife me.
You just got shanked, fam. You just got shanked.
My door's getting harassed or something. I'm scared.
What?
Jesus.
I don't know. My door. I can hear it from. Stop.
Is that your little brother?
Something is going on. Can you stop shooting me? Come knife me like a man.
Okay. What the? Bro, you just teleported.
This is the art of lagging.
That's the art of being a little.
Crosshair customization, because there's no time pistols or something.
What?
Do something, bro. Do something. You did something. Stop doing something.
Sufferal.
Yes, sir. You just got knifed.
But
Good.
the knife takes 2 hits. How'd you get me in 1?
Backstab. Yo. Can you not
Wait.
do that?
I didn't even know I killed you.
How did you kill me?
I don't know.
Spectre you?
Huh?
That I'm watching you.
You're watching me.
Oh my god, you're going so fast. I can't. What the hell's going on?
Sit down. Sit down. Like, actually take a seat, please. Don't say such homophobic words. Wow.
I'm making a gorilla face right now.
Is it because you look like a retarded gorilla's cousins had sex with Joe Biden? Oh! You look like Hillary Clinton's vagina.
Why is this shit working? Let me play.
Round 2.
Round 2. This is where I come.
Oh my!
Yeah,
Oh my god, you were
Valorant
actually
feels like-
correct.
Maybe not.
Valorant nerd.
Is it bomb boy? Is it... Oh, hey, you wanna have a knife battle, you little monkey?
Alright, alright, alright.
No, I know you're scared. Hooah! Hooah!
Oh. Oh.
Bro, I can't move.
Why would I be scared of that? Why would... Milo 2008 once again.
Yeah, I guess I'll just beat you. 1 second.
That's all cap.
Watching you. Oh my god, you just...
How do you shoot
Bro.
faster than me?
Adios.
I'm
Zoshing,
Asian.
you what?
What the?
What am I seeing? Devin, guess what?
Yeah?
Guess so, Devin.
What?
Zoshang Ho Zong Shu.
No, no, no.
Big chilling.
No! No! No!
I'm gonna give you a little kiss.
I'm actually gonna reach 1,000 because you guys are so bad.
I'm actually gonna raise 1,000 because
Shut up!
I'm at 80. I'm at 82, bro. I just keep going down. You know what? Go.
Oh!
Holy
That was so loud.
I'm not even gonna lie, that was a little bit on the decent side, but it was still bad because you're a bad player.
Bullshit.
You should have knifed me like a real man.
Bro, what the?
You shot me in the head once and then killed me with a Tech 9.
Oh my god, Mia Khalifa is playing the drums?
Match
Mia
point.
Khalifa playing the drums.
Yeah, she's playing the drums.
It's very interesting. Is she, but wait, is she actually good at it?
You know what she's good at?
I know what she's good at.
Snicker bar.
She regretted doing porn so much because she wore a hijab once. but
Nobody talked about
recording.
porn, man. What do you want?
I know, but it's me.
I was talking about. What are you watching?
He was
man?
talking about the musician.
Mia Khalifa.
What?
Who's Mia Khalifa?
musician.
Oh yeah, Wiz Khalifa, dumbass. He been smoking his ass up. He been in done.
Here we go. One final 1v1 before the end of the video. Bro,
Like what?
I might just say the N word. And then I go Super Saiyan.
Super Saiyan what?
move my gut, move my
Saiyan
gut,
ground.
move my gut. I'm not having a good time.
Guys, the question of the day, Devin.
Yeah.
Would or would you not bang a baddie, but her face have the Down syndrome?
Woo! Wait, what?
She's got a baddie body, but she's got the Down syndrome face.
I'm not
Would
into
you
that, bro.
or
I'm not
would
into
you
that.
not hit?
Let's go. I'm the champion. I hit 1000 rank. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.